So we are going to start tearing apart everything here because I am building that engine back there. So I mean, obviously we'd want to start with this shitty ass underglow. I've already disconnected the distributor and the that thing, ignition coil, I think, something like that. Totally forgot what it was called. We've got some gas lines, power steering lines, AC condenser has to come up, ECU, exhaust, drive shaft. Hopefully we drop the diff, some other stuff. We're just gonna jump right into it. I'm super nervous. I don't like being on camera. My friends are coming over. I don't know if they're gonna like being on camera. I already took the radiator and drained the coolant out because I had a buddy who wanted the clutch fan and some other stuff. So we're just gonna jump right into it, you know? Talk about stuff. This really shitty underglow setup is really bad because it's really shitty. And just what's going on in life, you know? This underglow kit sucked too. Really bad. Really bad. I didn't like it. So I'll probably get another one. Cause I like underglow. I think for now, we're just gonna rip all this apart and cut all of our connections and get to them some other time. So we're done with that. Cool. Gone. Awesome. I've already sprayed some PB Blaster on the exhaust bolts, so I should probably get to those. I could get to the other side right now. There's some stuff going on here. I think these are gas lines. Yep. Alright, no going back now. That line is cut. We got this EGR canister line. That's coming out. We got another line on the EGR. More coolant on the floor. There we go. Alright. Charcoal canister line. Okay, so those are the fuel lines. We got no more fuel lines to worry about. Let's see, what else is there? We could take off the AC condenser. Like 13s. 13. Okay, that's free. Sick. We got trans brace, exhaust hanger, exhaust bolts. So we're gonna take care of all those really quick. chicken Alfredo or something like that. I don't even know what this be, bro. But there's some of that. Some fuego, bro. Mmm. Al dente, bro. Look at the seasoning on there. Mmm. Yeah. Who calling me, bro? Yo.
Is that parking a cul-de-sac?
No, you can come down.
Alright.
Ah, man. Look at this. Mmm. Juicy on this side. Dumb fire. Look at this shit. Mama serving up everybody. I need 2 adjectives. Describe this.
Mmm. Delicioso.
God, these things are so trash.
Just a bunch of shit boxes.
Just a bunch of shit boxes, dude. What do you love about them? Why E36?
Cheap.
Bro, what happened? I came out and it was just like that. Well, let me hear that thing really quick, dog. Let me hear it, bro. Smells like oil.
But make it to Pasadena?
Yeah, I don't make it to Pasadena. I'm just gonna cut the fucking weld right there. Smells like chicken.
Dude, it's better to have it overexposed than under.
Probably not gonna do it.
You're just gonna put clips together.
Yeah, no, I am. I'm literally gonna cut, chop.
iMovie.
This is like the plan is like clip, cut, cut. One's a red line. Cut. That's it. I'm just trying to. It's just like
Cut, burnout, cut.
Alright, so yeah, go ahead and go up right now. Damn! You gotta be quicker than that. No, I didn't cut the other one. Alright, that's good, buddy. Come on now. Get the fuck out. Someone give me a 13 wrench. There's stuff over there. Shut up, Benny. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit!
Got that one.
Aww. I feel like Benny right now.
My drain plug all over again.
Yeah. Hand me that socket that just rolled underneath the. Yo.
Fuck. I feel like
Benny right now.
Benny feels like Benny right now. What does that mean? We are throwing carburetors in here.
That's where you get rid of your old oil, right?
Yeah, you can just. What's the stuff on?
It's hitting the subframe.
Oh yeah?
Transmission is.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. You gotta go up. You gotta angle it back.
Cool?
Nope, still gonna hit. You gotta lift it up more.
Okay.
clear.
Oh, fucking AC condenser.
Just tap it.
About to get lit up.
Yeah.
About to explode.
About to get lit up. Oh, yeah. What's it looking like?
We got like that much room before it clears the breaker
So
bar.
perfect, bro.
It's a wobble extender.
Yeah, waffle extender. I just love it when my friends work on my car for me.
Yeah? What is that?
It's just easier. I just get to watch.
Can you
No.
put that on?
Your oil pan might start hitting you.
Nah.
We'll just angle it more.
Yeah. Damn, bitch.
Damn, little bitch!
Listen. Something's still connected.
What?
Oh shit. The wiring.
Stuck behind some wiring. So,
Is this
yeah, all this.
this is still done by time. So.
What's the...
Oh, this.
Shit, all this shit.
It's just behind the different wiring room. So we can get that under. If we can get this.
Yeah. Some of...
I thought they were up here already.
Yeah. Oh, they're right next to me. Sorry.
Nope.
Sick.
Is that capped
Yeah,
out?
you got a little 8mm over there?
Yeah, that's capped out.
That's capped out.
I think we could definitely get it over if we lift up the back end of the transmission.
Yeah, give me an 8mm wrench or anything, Benny.
I got a 10.
Oh, no. Go get it.
It'll definitely not work.
What's it? Oh, yeah.
So you're clear everything here, but it's just once you get to the bell housing, it's gonna have to be lifted up.
Alright, just watch everything. Oh, we're all maxed out actually.
Yeah, you have like no room to go down.
Alright, let's pull back a little bit.
Alright. Hold up.
Let me
get
get
inside and then
Lift it up. Alright. Alright, can you get on that side? I'll get on the other side. Oh, pull? Yeah, go, go, go. Pull out, pull out.
Oh shit, I almost fucking slipped on coolant trying to come help.
I got it.
you're good, you're good.
Oh my god! Let's fucking go!
Let's fucking go!
So we got a M20 for sale, never fucked with.
Oh, this is the boat I was talking
Low
about.
mileage.
Low mileage, lady
Hey.
driven, never redline.
Never red line.
Grandma owned.
Grandma on. Alright, hell yeah. There we go, baby. Trans is off. Benny, how you feeling? First motor pull.
I don't know shit, bro.
Adam, veteran over here. How you feeling, bro? 120th. He gets a silver badge. Ethan, how you feeling over there, bro?
First motor pull for me too.
Yeah, this was my first technically as well.
No, you did the Honda at work.
Oh yeah, I guess I did. Never mind, sorry. This is pretty good though. Pop your chair. Are you bleeding?
Are you? Yeah, some shit on the ground is show
Everywhere. It was a little messy, a little dicey here and there.
Got a little noisy.
It got a little noisy.
Definitely woke up the neighbors.
We did it though, baby. He's 3 inches this.
Yo, where's that header going?
Alright, well thank you guys for watching the video. This was numero uno, I guess, right? If this ever gets out, I don't know. I don't know if I'll edit this or chop anything up. I'll be fucking bored. So yeah, thanks for watching.
swerving down the freeway, shooting flames. 120 miles, I'll forget your face. 120 miles, I'll relieve the pain and the stress you cause.